Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday the 13th and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will compare the differences between the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 3 Pro. Our next story talks about Verge Aero's new X7 light show drone. And finally, we discuss how DJI's FlyCart 30 will soon be for sale in the US. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Eric Craig Real Estate Team is seeking a videographer and photographer in Smithville, Missouri. Tally Creative is looking for a videographer in Grand Island, Nebraska. Inspection Depot Incorporated has an opening for a drone pilot in Naples, Florida. And finally, the Wisconsin Foundation and Alumni Association are in search of a videographer in Madison, Wisconsin. With that said, let's fly in. Since the DJI's Mini 4 was launched a few weeks ago, many have turned to see how it compares to its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro. Here are some key differences and similarities between the two drones. Starting with the price, the Mini 4 Pro costs the same as the Mini 3 Pro, with both selling at $759 for the intro package. When getting into the camera specs and features, things start to change up a bit. The Mini 4 Pro comes with a host of new camera upgrades, including shooting 4K HDR footage at 100 frames per second, capturing cleaner footage in low light conditions, the ability to shoot in 10-bit D-Log and HLG color modes, and a 60-degree max tilt angle. One of the other major upgrades is the obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle detection and avoidance, which is the first for any drone in the Mini series. Additionally, it has increased transmission range. So the big question still remains to if you should upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro. Overall, you get a better camera for filming videos and have the safest mini drone on the market. If those two aspects are of high importance to you, then it might just be worth it. Our next story talks about a newer side of drone relevance that has quickly been gaining a lot of hype. And of course, I'm talking about drone light shows. The new X7 light show drone from Verge Aero might make these fun to watch spectacles more accessible. Verge Aero is a US-based innovator and creator of drone light show systems. The X7's goal is to act as an all-in-one drone show product suite that democratizes entry into the aerial entertainment industry. It offers a 17-minute performance time and a 21-minute hover time, strong wind and water resistance, rapid charging via USB-C, and enhanced GPS capabilities. So in a sense, those who might want to start a drone light show business could technically do it with the X7 in their arsenal. Verge Aero is also offering some job opportunities, which you can check out more of in the link below. And finally, DJI's first delivery drone, the FlyCart 30, might be available for purchase in the US sooner than we thought. Currently, it's only available in China, but recently, DJI filed paperwork for the FlyCart 30 with the FCC, making it likely that the delivery drone could soon be ready for sale in the States. To recap some specs, the FlyCart 30 can carry up to 66 pounds or 30 kilograms on a dual battery, or a whopping 88 pounds or 40 kilograms on a single battery. And it can fly up to 10 miles or 16 kilometers when fully loaded and 17 miles or 27 kilometers when empty. And before we wrap up, here are some of the great drone fail submissions we've been receiving. Keep on sending your best drone fails in the link below. We'll be voting on a winner at the end of the month. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. Would you upgrade to the Mini 4 Pro? And what do you think about starting a drone light show business? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.